like hepatitis. Now comes the cardiovascular system. See the heart is the pump. Pumping is easy and then go up again. But coming down is easy, but going up, so when it goes vein, got to go up again. As you grow older and older, each and every vessel has got a valve. I go up, I stop. Go up, I stop. Push, stop. Push, stop. Push, stop. I don't stop, water will go down. You know, anybody can see your veins here? Can you see your veins? Okay, madam? See, stand up, madam. Come here. You know, these are the veins, not the artery. Okay? In the veins, madam, you've got small valves. Small valves. Okay? Put it here. See here, madam. Huh? Put it straight, huh? You see, huh? Cannot see that. See this one here? So what I'm doing this one. See, I'm doing this now. Is there any blood there? And I push, it goes up. See, I'm doing here. Huh? See. This one different, huh? See, go here. See, blood flowing now. Okay? Now when you have a heart issue bypass, what they do? I got a bypass, what they do, madam? They take the vein from here to here, madam. And they put a bypass here, small plug, but they take the whole thing from here, madam. Yes, madam, be careful, don't get bypass on.
हृदय वाहिनी प्रणाली मतलब कार्डियोवैस्कुलर सिस्टम के बारे में बताते हुए सर कहते हैं कि रक्त या खून लगातार हृदय से पूरे शरीर में पंप किया जाता है। जहां शरीर से नीचे आना तो आसान है, लेकिन ऊपर की ओर यात्रा करना कठिन है। जब यह विफल हो जाता है तो लोगों को वेरिकोस वेन्स की बीमारी हो जाती है। जैसे जैसे व्यक्ति की उम्र बढ़ती है, यह प्रक्रिया धीमी होती जाती है, क्योंकि रक्त की सभी वाहिकाओं को रक्त को ऊपर की ओर धकेलना पड़ता है। सर हाथ की नसें दिखाते हुए बताते हैं कि इसमें छोटे छोटे वाल्व होते हैं जो खून को दिल की तरफ धकेलते हैं। बाईपास सर्जरी के दौरान पैर की नस को काटकर दिल की ब्लॉक वाली नस से जोड़ दिया जाता है।
Feel your heart, madam. Take care of your heart. You have to take. And you go 2 weeks, then it's a 1 hour operation. Or I think half an hour operation. And then only they go to the heart. They get it ready first and then go here. So please be careful, huh? Understand? And this cannot get healed. Something with sugar or not, this will be infected, madam. Please be careful. So like that, look. See, this is going down. The blue is going down. And then the red must go up again. So I'm going against the flow of gravity. That's the most difficult part. So please do exercises. See, look here. The red color one is going back. The blue is coming down. Red is going up again. So the whole thing go up. Here is not too bad. Very short journey. But here's a long journey, madam. When I cannot go up, I make this turn. You know, who has been to Cameron Highlands, Malaysia? Or Genting Highlands? Genting Highlands. How is the road? Why winding? Up the mountain. Like that. Very close vein. Like that. I cannot go up. I got to push. I cannot go straight. It's too stiff to go straight. The car will roll back. The car will roll back when I don't have enough strength. I start again, but then come back with a brake and on the car press. Oh, slowly go up again. Yes, madam. So like that they cannot go up. They do the varicose vein stuff. Even one lady came yesterday to my class. I met her. Varicose vein right in the foot here. Burst. Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yesterday, where was I? The class yesterday one lady came. Chinese lady. Yeah, your family member's name. Burst, one time burst, you put a thing. It breaks. No, I cannot go. The vessels are not strong enough to hold the pressure. Because I'm going to go all the way up here. And it started failing here. So please be careful, guys. Do exercise. Don't put the leg too much. Especially people stand too long and do their work. Standing and working, madam. You know all this sales agent in the mall all standing, high heels some more. No, not easy, no, madam. You know what I mean, no? Not easy, madam. So please be careful. Okay? Now look at how the heart has to do. Look. See, this is the going to the it's going to the lungs. No, the red color one is supplying blood. It's going to the lungs. Look how this thing all works, madam. And they will go to the kidney, clean themselves and go up again. All the blood will go to the kidney, clean and go back. It's a big cycle that works. This one never stops. What happened if you stop, madam? Voila, they try to help you lah. Boom, 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 boom. They try to help you sleep first. They try to help you, Or they say, cough, 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 cough. Cough. Do something lah, so at least something will push the heart from moving, no. Not easy lah, my friend. That's why you must know lah.
पैर से नस काटने में आधे घंटे का ऑपरेशन होता है और फिर उसे दिल से जोड़ने के लिए 2 घंटे की सर्जरी करनी पड़ती है। इसलिए हमें अपने दिल का ख्याल रखना चाहिए और उसे नियमित रूप से हील करना चाहिए। नीला खून पैरों की तरफ जाता है और लाल ऊपर की ओर जाता है, जो एक लंबी यात्रा है। जो नसें सीधी नहीं जा पाती वे पहाड़ी सड़क की तरह टेढ़ी मेढ़ी हो सकती हैं, जो हैं वेरिकोस वेन्स, क्योंकि वे ऊपर जाने में असमर्थ हैं। उन्हें बहुत ज़ोर लगाना पड़ता है। सर एक चीनी महिला से मिले जिसके पैर में वेरिकोस वेन्स फट गईं क्योंकि वाहिकाएं दबाव को सहन नहीं कर सकीं। इसलिए हमें बहुत सावधान रहना चाहिए और ऐसे उन लोगों के साथ होता है जो बहुत ज़्यादा देर के लिए खड़े रहते हैं, जैसे कि सेल्स वाले लोग और जो ऊंची एड़ी के जूते पहनते हैं। सारा अशुद्ध रक्त हृदय में जाता है, शुद्ध होता है और गुर्दे मतलब किडनी तथा शरीर के सभी भागों में वापस जाता है। यह एक नियमित प्रक्रिया है जो यदि रुक गई तो व्यक्ति जीवित नहीं रह सकता। ऐसी स्थिति में हमें खांसते रहना चाहिए ताकि दिल धड़कता रहे।
Please, so look here. Look at his heart, based on the heart. I met one guy. He was fighting the Indian in Sri Lanka, Tamilian. He had a gunshot. Gunshot was here. He didn't die, madam. Why? One lucky fella. Heart of the left hand side. Seriously, madam. He got 2 lives. He got gunshot here. His heart was on this side. Seriously, I think he hit the glove. Ain't the heart, to the floor. There, my heart here, not here, He survived. I'm not simply joking. I even met that guy. He was ambassador in Sri Lanka. No, he was ambassador in France. So I met him. He took me around the whole custom, and he was an army fellow. And the best part, madam, got stuck in the tsunami. A coconut tree saved him. Wow, you must meet some people who are telling stories. The coconut tree saved his life. He got 2 lives. I got 2 lives. One tsunami I got saved. One was my heart was here. I survived. Yeah, but all of this, madam, so strong, madam, so scared to go to Kottakum. Kottakum. Kottakum is a graveyard under Paris. Who has been to Paris? Have you been to Kottakum? No. Under the ground. No. Thousands of graves. Huh? You see all the skull, all the bones, big place under the city of Paris. I went there in life also. You want to watch, huh? I went down, madam. This man, he came from me, ran away already. Army commander, scared to go to Kottakum. They ran because it's so big, you got to walk inside. Oh, it's so big, small, you got to go inside. And everywhere, you can find all the skull, the bones, full of bones everywhere. Go on, it's very interesting. You got going down, down, down. I think about 3 stories down the ground. And from there, it was going inside. Oh. What, madam?
Also the animation song, it also has.
Yes, it's the song that we have now, the soul animation song. It's there, the Kottakum. It's Kottakum, yeah? And also I've been to Kottakum in Peru, Lima. So Kottakum there also. They like to bury under the ground, madam. I don't know, very funny people. Save space, more space, save the space. So you don't have to worry, somebody can sleep on top, but not whole big guy can sleep on top there. Every time somebody coming from the under the ground, thinking about.
हृदय के तल मतलब बेस को दिखाते हुए सर कहते हैं कि श्रीलंका में एक भारतीय व्यक्ति को हृदय के पास गोली मारी गई थी, लेकिन वह बच गए क्योंकि उनका हृदय थोड़ा बाईं ओर था। वह श्रीलंका में एक राजदूत थे। वह फ्रांस के सैनिक थे। वह सुनामी में फंस गए थे जिसे एक नारियल के पेड़ ने बचाया था। उनकी जान 2 बार बच गई, एक बार इसलिए क्योंकि उनका दिल बाईं ओर था और दूसरी बार एक नारियल के पेड़ ने उन्हें बचाया। यह सब कैटाकॉम्ब की तुलना में कुछ भी नहीं है, जो पेरिस में एक भूमिगत कब्रिस्तान है जिसमें हज़ारों कब्रें हैं। यहाँ हम कंकाल और हड्डियाँ देख सकते हैं, पेरिस शहर के नीचे एक बहुत बड़ी जगह में। सर ने वहाँ से एक फेसबुक लाइव का क्लास भी किया था। उनके साथ एक आर्मी कमांडर भी थे जो वहाँ जाने से डर रहे थे। उन्हें हर जगह पड़ी खोपड़ियाँ और हड्डियाँ देखने के लिए 3 मंजिल नीचे जाना पड़ा था। यह कैटाकॉम्ब PVH के सोल एलिवेशन गाने में दर्शाया गया है। सर पेरू नामक जगह में कैटाकॉम्ब में भी गए हैं और कहते हैं कि शायद यह जगह बचने के लिए ऐसे करते थे।
Okay, then comes the lymphatic system. Not many people know about the system. Not many people know about the system. Ladies always have problem with lymph node. Your breast area, your lymph node. You know? Because you have got you are maybe you every month when you have a period painful no. Because when you have a period when the milk is starting and then failing. So now the lymphatic system must clean them up. Sometimes they're not able to clean. So they run by the side of the blood vessel. So the thymus gland, the spleen gland, and the large intestine involved. They have to throw them at that point. They throw everything on that. So sometimes they don't throw properly. That's why I say, please do some exercise, stretch the muscles, stretch every part, move everything. So stretching and all the muscle will contract and release. So make all this flow. The blood will flow. The thing. So exercise is very, very important, you know. So bed yoga is one of the simple things. Okay, look and see. Look, madam. It's the thymus gland, spleen gland. All this works. Look at amount of things in the female's breast area. Men don't have this issue. So they always have dirt and stuff there. That's when you have cancer, growth all will start to happen at that point. Okay? See how they work. It follows the blood system. This is the artery, and then stay by that and take away and throw them. It's all the lymphatic nodes. Lots and lots of lymphatic nodes. That's where the problem starts for ladies. Okay, guys? So look here. The lymphatic nodes cleaning. It cleans and take away everything and throw it back in the large intestine or even the spleen. Remember the valve we're talking about? This is the kind of valve we have. These also have the valve. They also have the valve, so it won't come back. The blood vessels have the same valve. Not on the artery, but the veins. The veins, like that valve. Just a biphosphate valve. You go like that, stop. Go like that, stop. It doesn't have a backflow of the blood or the fluid of the lymphatic system. Like that.
फिर हम लसिका तंत्र मतलब लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, जिसके बारे में बहुत से लोगों को जानकारी नहीं है। ज़्यादातर महिलाओं को स्तन में लिम्फ नोड्स की समस्या होती है, जो मासिक धर्म के कारण हो सकती हैं, जिससे स्तन भारी और दर्ददायक हो जाते हैं। मासिक धर्म की शुरुआत में तरल पदार्थ निकलना शुरू होता है और फिर बंद हो जाता है। इस वजह से लिम्फ को अब उन्हें साफ़ करना पड़ता है। जब लिम्फ साफ़ नहीं हो पाते हैं तो वे थाइमस ग्रंथि, स्प्लीन ग्रंथि और बड़ी आंत की दीवार के माध्यम से वाहिकाओं के किनारे से बहते हैं। उन्हें उनको फेंकना होता है। इसलिए सर हमेशा कुछ व्यायाम या स्ट्रेचिंग करने का सुझाव देते हैं, जिससे मांसपेशियों को आराम मिलेगा और रक्त प्रवाह सुचारू होगा। इसके लिए बेड योगा सबसे आसान तरीका है। लिम्फ नोड्स स्तन क्षेत्र में फंस जाते हैं, जिससे कैंसर होता है। पुरुषों में ये समस्या नहीं होती है। सर स्तन की एक तस्वीर दिखाते हैं जहां बहुत सारे लिम्फ नोड्स हैं, जो यदि उन्हें शरीर से निकाला न जाए तो समस्याएं पैदा हो सकती हैं। लिम्फ नोड्स में भी वाल्व होते हैं ताकि रक्त नीचे ना जाए, ठीक वैसे ही जैसे रक्त वाहिकाओं में। धमनी मतलब आर्टरी में वाल्व नहीं होते, लेकिन नसों मतलब वेन्स में वाल्व होते हैं।
Now comes the respiratory system, where all the thing, okay? Now who messes up the lungs? Who messes up the lungs? Smokers. No other choice, madam. All the dust will go inside. All the smoke will go inside. So if your husband or boyfriend is a smoker, madam, smoke cigar. Why? Don't inhale the smoke. It's more than that's all. You don't inhale the smoke. The smokers inhale all the smoke, madam. Everything will go and mess up. I tell you, you get no escape. When COVID comes inside here, very difficult to survive. COVID tries to enter here, starting here. This way you have dry cough. If you don't work well, madam, it goes inside, very difficult. That's why your oxygen level goes down. 80%, 70%, 40%. So difficult. You try to help you as much as you can. You know, people don't have enough oxygen. You can get oxygen, but sometimes it's so bad because they got some smokers and asthmatic problem. And if they already have some kind of issue with the whole problem, this can be a very big problem. Okay? So imagine, madam, look at all of these things. They'll be so small that each and every blood vessel will go down. One cell will go down. One red blood cell will go down. That's when you can have the change of oxygen from the environment and carbon dioxide. Okay? There's one lung, two lung, one lung, two lung, three lung. Why? There's a place for your heart.
श्वसन तंत्र मतलब रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के बारे में बात करते हुए सर कहते हैं कि धूम्रपान करने वाले लोग अपने श्वसन तंत्र को बुरी तरह से प्रभावित करते हैं। किसी भी व्यक्ति के साथी के धूम्रपान करने से दूसरे व्यक्ति के फेफड़ों को भी नुकसान पहुंचता है, क्योंकि वे भी धुएं को अपनी सांस में लेते हैं। वे धुआं अंदर ले रहे हैं, जिसके बाद बचने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है। कोविड मुंह से होते हुए गले में पहुंचा, जहां सूखी खांसी हुई और फिर फेफड़ों तक पहुंचकर खतरनाक हो जाता है, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन का स्तर नीचे आ जाता है। इसलिए जो लोग धूम्रपान करते हैं या अस्थमा से पीड़ित हैं, कोविड जैसी बीमारी उनके लिए और भी गंभीर हो सकती है। कोशिकाएं बहुत छोटी हैं। हर कोशिका ताज़ी ऑक्सीजन लाती है। फेफड़ों की फ़ोटो दिखाई गई, जहां वह हृदय के आगे है।
Okay? So here we have what we call as the endocrine system. Whole system is endocrine. It's the male side and the female side. Pituitary gland, hypothalamus, thyroid, thymus, heart, stomach, pancreas, intestine, and then ovaries for female, testes for male. You know, so all these have to work. Female are the most important because every month you go through a cycle of your period cycle. So ladies, you go through more difficult part than men. Okay? Now look at what you have. So you have the whole thing here, which men don't have. This one can cut and throw away, no problem. This one cut and throw away, a lot of problem, when hormones will come. Then you go start thinking all the hormones problems, huh? Okay, guys? See the small fellow, that's one small guy, master gland, your pituitary gland. Small fellow only, man. See how much of a problem this one can give you. Okay, guys? So look here. So now we have the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, endocrine gland, the pancreas and testes for the male. Okay, guys? So you don't have to worry too much about this. Our healing is very, very simple. You just have to heal the navel chakra and all be taken care of. That's the beauty of our healing system. Okay?
फिर हम पुरुषों और महिलाओं में अंतःस्रावी तंत्र मतलब एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स को समझते हैं, जिसमें पिट्यूटरी ग्रंथि, थैलेमस, हाइपोथैलेमस, हृदय, पेट, आंत, अग्नाशय, एड्रिनल ग्रंथियाँ, अंडाशय मतलब ओवरीज और वृषण मतलब टेस्टिकल्स शामिल हैं। महिलाओं में इन प्रणालियों का ठीक से काम करना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि वे हर महीने मासिक धर्म के चक्र से गुजरती हैं। सर पुरुष और महिलाओं के आंतरिक अंग की एक फ़ोटो दिखाते हैं, जहां महिलाओं में प्रजनन प्रणाली मतलब रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम होती है, जो पुरुषों में नहीं होती है। यही कारण है कि महिलाओं में पुरुषों की तुलना में अधिक हार्मोनल समस्याएं होती हैं। हमारे मस्तिष्क में एक बहुत छोटी ग्रंथि है, पिट्यूटरी ग्रंथि, जो असंतुलित होने पर बहुत सारी समस्याएं पैदा कर सकती है। पुरुषों में एंडोक्रिन ग्रंथियां थैलेमस, हाइपोथैलेमस, थायराइड, पैंक्रियाज, किडनी और वृषण मतलब टेस्टिस से बनी होती हैं। पीवीएच में यह सब ज़रूरी नहीं है, हम सिर्फ नाभि यानी नेवल चक्र को हील करते हैं और यह सब खुद ब खुद हील हो जाता है।
Then we have the endocrine of female, pancreas, juices, mucus, breast, enzymes, so many things. Eyes, tongue, thing. So then we have endocrine, half cut, hypothalamus, pineal gland, adrenal glands, all pancreas, ovaries, okay. Then come the pituitary gland. See, one small guy. Got two, anterior and posterior. Posterior, anterior. These two guys have got different function. Understand? So sometimes people come to me because heal even the anterior posterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Yes, madam.
That's why I say heal the navel chakra and everything will be.
Navel chakra and uterus and right ovaries, madam.
That means the ajna is a pituitary anterior and hypothalamus.
Yes. You go here first, you go here first.
Here first.
No, here first.
Here first.
And then here.
Then here.
Okay? Okay? You see the high hormones, madam? Testosterone. See, these are the hormones coming from many parts of the human body. The brain cell, the pancreas, ovaries, testosterone, insulin, cortisol, adrenaline, thyroid hormones. Then we have got, sex hormone, thyroid, cortisol, insulin, okay? Glucagon. What's glucagon?
For the bones.
What's glucagon? Anyone tell me? Glucagon. Excess sugar will be converted to fat. Glucagon. Glucagon will convert the excess fat into sugar. Sometimes you have too sugar, your hands will start shaking. You must put some chocolate inside and you feel nice. Because the hormones are not able to convert the fat in the liver or in the muscle into sugar again. You dip your sugar. Too high sugar can come down, become fat. That's when people put on weight. But they're not able to remove the sugar into fat again. So these two guys are with glucagon and glucagon. Okay? Right. Okay. So then, leptin, estradiol, trimazone. I don't know these things all that. Melatonin, dopamine. See how many things are. How many things they are, madam. You don't even know, all come from the brain. Few cells, when they die, what happened?
महिलाओं में एंडोक्रिन ग्रंथियां होती हैं जिसमें पैंक्रियाज, ब्रेस्ट, यूट्रस वगैरह शामिल होता है। आँख, मुंह, पैंक्रियाज, ओवरीज वगैरह एंडोक्रिन ग्लैंड्स में शामिल होते हैं। पिट्यूटरी ग्रंथियों में आगे और पीछे के लोब होते हैं जिनके अलग अलग कार्य हैं। जब हम नाभि चक्र यानी नेवल चक्र को हील करते हैं तो गर्भाशय और अंडाशय को हील किया जा सकता है। आज्ञा चक्र को हील करके हम पिट्यूटरी और पीनियल ग्रंथियों को हील कर सकते हैं। हो सके तो हीलिंग हमारे सर से शुरू करते हुए शरीर के नीचे की तरफ आना चाहिए। मानव शरीर के स्वास्थ्य को प्रभावित करने वाले बहुत सारे हार्मोन हमारे शरीर में, हमारे दिमाग में, पैंक्रियास में, ओवरीज में हैं, जैसे टेस्टोस्टेरोन, इंसुलिन, कॉर्टिसोल, एड्रेनलिन, थायराइड वगैरह। ग्लूकागन और ग्लूकाजेन नामक अन्य हार्मोन हैं। चर्बी के कारण अतिरिक्त चीनी ग्लूकागन है। ग्लूकोजेन अतिरिक्त चर्बी को चीनी में बदल देगा। जब किसी व्यक्ति के हाथ कांपने लगते हैं और चॉकलेट खाने के बाद अच्छा महसूस करते हैं, ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि हार्मोन लीवर या मांसपेशियों से चर्बी को चीनी में बदलने में सक्षम नहीं है, इसलिए चीनी कम हो जाती है। उच्च डायबिटीज़ नीचे आ सकती है और लोगों की चर्बी बढ़ जाती है, लेकिन चीनी को हटाने में सक्षम नहीं होते हैं। यह ग्लूकाजेन और ग्लूकागेन के बीच का अंतर है। डोपामिन, लेप्टिन हमारे शरीर में बहुत सारे अलग अलग प्रकार के हॉर्मोन्स होते हैं।
Or they overproduce because of some reason. Take the wrong food. Look at this guy, you know? See here. Estrogen, peptide, estrogen, norepinephrine, endorphin. Saya pun tak tahu lah. Relaxing, make it relax. You know what I mean? See how much hormones the body produces. We take it so lightly, so busy with ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend. Look at what the body is trying to do. Shouting, shut up and let the girl go. Why you want to look at the handphone? Leave the handphone alone. Don't get stressed unnecessarily. Look at these guys. Depression, dopamine, certain oxytocin. See how they changes. How all it changes. See, when dopamine is zero, you become mania. In all of the changes, you have anxiety, depression, all are down. So you must be in this state. Dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin all must be running well. Look at this love portion. Yeah, well said. Well said.
Yes.
Okay? Then depression. See, all going down. In fact, all the class already done before, during the time when I had this. Yeah, it's all there on the YouTube. Just go and have a look at it. I commented all other things, so couldn't be more.
हॉर्मोन्स का उत्पादन हमारा मस्तिष्क या तो नहीं करता है या फिर उन्हें ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा उत्पन्न करता है। इसलिए हमें अपने खान पान का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। हम इन सब बातों को बहुत हल्के में लेते हैं। सर कोई फ़ोटो दिखाते हैं जहां विभिन्न हार्मोनों के विभिन्न स्तर हमारे भावना और शरीर को कैसे प्रभावित करते हैं। यदि डोपामाइन बढ़ता है तो हम पागल हो जाते हैं। विभिन्न हार्मोनल असंतुलन के परिणाम स्वरूप अवसाद, चिंता जैसी विभिन्न भावनाएं उत्पन्न होती हैं। सबसे बेहतर हम में डोपामाइन, सेरोटोनिन और ऑक्सीटोसिन हार्मोन बराबर मात्रा में होने चाहिए, जिससे प्यार की मात्रा हम में बढ़ती है।
Nervous system. Look, another guy. Blood circulation system, and comes the lymphatic system, and we have the nervous system. This one, madam, all of you just pull one hand, madam, just pull one hand. Just touch one hand. Just one hand, just pull and see. Put hand on. Remove already. Or do Brazilian vaccine, I think. No hand. Can you imagine? Just one hand. Imagine that thing is one small fellow going to your brain. Yes. Don't play the fool, madam. So many things. It's a millions of connection. Millions. Each hair has a connection. You pull one hair, they will know. They will know. Hey, somebody pulling my hair. Something behind me pulling my hair. Who's pulling my hair? Nobody around. Exactly. That one's hair, one small hair. You can blow, you can feel, madam. How? So imagine how intricate our system is. When sugar comes, hey, nothing, no feeling at all. Why no feeling at all? After sugar, no feeling at all. What, madam? All dead already. The sugar has killed all the system. That's why they're so difficult. Even if a small food, they don't know. That's why they start eating. Even the whatever eating the thing, they don't know, madam, because all the sugar is gone. You have no feelings at all. So you must always check whether you got something inside, no, madam. Touch and see. Touch and see. Oh, okay, I'm feeling good. I always check once in a while, madam. You know, I'm planning the flight, sitting down there for 6 hours, 18 hours. No, must move the leg out and see whether you got numb or not, madam. It's just not permanent numb, or just mum with the pain body. First check and see, massage the legs all, madam. Because whenever sugar is very high, it kills the nervous system. Especially the legs. I can show you some of the people telling me legs, you cannot see, madam. Very, very sad. Okay? Like that. So now, brain, spinal cord, sensory organs, to the spine, go through the spine. Okay? Look, madam. Look. How the nerve look like. See how the nerve look like. Look at the nerve, madam. Funny, huh? The alien, huh? It's inside your body. There are millions of them, maybe trillions of them. All are connected to each and every one. Can you imagine? And they talk to another fellow. There's one fellow coming here, one fellow coming here, one fellow coming here. All like they have their own connection. Brothers, sisters, all coming together. And you know what the connection? You know what's the connection, madam? 1.4 volts electricity connection. DC electricity. DC 1.4 volts. By how? One sodium, 4 potassium. You know the left side you put two things, you get current,
Yes.
acid solution you put aside, just like that. 1 sodium, 4 potassium. That's the one that creates the electric potential. Whatever don't have, madam, then you have no more connection. So you must eat the proper food. Okay? And someone with too much sugar, madam, it eats all of this thing. It eats every way. You got microacidosis. You know the electricity going up there? 3 wires. What if the wires all gone away already? What happened? The spark. It was spark and then they go. Like the rat won't bite all the wires, and the spark and then something will fire. Same thing. This will happen to you. So all protecting from not touching another fellow. So it won't short circuit. Okay? Look how intricate. See. See. Very alien looking fellow, huh? This is a very alien looking fellow, no matter. And all connecting, then right. Looking for things like some kind of areas, and they come down here, and then see another fellow, see another connection terminals. Another connection coming here. Everybody is talking to each other. See how our human body is made so intricate, madam. Can you imagine? Okay? Now, what am I telling you now? What's the biggest nerve system? What's the biggest nerve system? The longest nerve system? Question number 1. Longest nerve system? Nerve system. Sciatica. Starts from here right to the bottom. Longest nerve. And everybody is getting on sciatic nerve now. You're all compressing on a sciatic nerve. Of course you can walk. You can walk. Whoever wants to walk and walk and watch the thing. Yes, you're sitting on sciatic nerve. Understand? When the pain comes so terrible, the pain can be so terrible. Yeah. For that you must see your base chakra, right and left bump chakras. No chakra there, just see the sciatic nerve. I just created a new chakra, bump chakra.
Say a muscle.
Bump chakra. I think it's a good idea. Okay, from today we call it bump chakra. Bump chakra, yes, right and left bump chakra. Let's put it in the Jesus theory, madam. Right and left bump chakra. What is bump chakra? Let's check. Madam, give me the one, madam. Give me the one. Check bump chakra. Hold on. I never checked the bump chakra. Today I'm going to check. See, got it now. You see, I tell you how I check the chakras. Bump chakra. You can't get it out. Huh? Who said so?
It's a picture?
They consider it as a root activity.
That one different. You tell. Okay, come here. Madam, stand here. Lie down. Lie there. Put the head there. That's how you should check the bump chakra. How do you think I found out chakras, madam? I make you go sit down, and that's the bump chakra. Madam, all the chakra that they show the camera lah. Show the
I'm waiting for your permission, sir.
Okay, this is how I check all the chakras. All the chakras that we found was done with the pendulum. You see, So this one is the back knee chakra. See, this one chakra here. Okay, God. Okay, here, no. Here, no. Come center, there's one here. See, then come like that, there's one here. Okay, now let's go up. Go up. Okay, come here, There's one here. Okay, here. No. Bum. Yay! Hey, big chakra, bum chakra.
Yes.
Seriously, that is a bum chakra.
Bum chakra.
Bum chakra there. Go and edit next edition. Bum chakra.
Bum chakra.
Bum chakra. It must be there because the sciatic nerve is coming there.
Okay lah.
You see? So we discovered something in Singapore. Bum chakra.
So we have right and left bum.
Seriously, this is not base chakra. See, it's much bigger. See, much bigger is the base chakra. The size of the chakra. Okay, bum chakra is not so big. It's a minor chakra. Understand? See how that's how you find the chakra. So last time I think I forgot to check this on the
So
lady.
I think the speaker is not working, huh?
No.
Well, base it's a base chakra. Okay, confirm.
Sir, mic.
Bum chakra.
New discovery.
Hello. Yes, madam. I used to learn from you all, madam. I'm learning more from you all. Okay, good. You see, this is the myelin sheet that protects the thing from touching to another nerve. Just like the wire that we have. This wire, the wire that we have here, it's a connection. See, like you've got 3 wires here. So it doesn't get connected to something else. So they don't short circuit. What is short circuit? The whole system will fail, can burn. Like that, madam. So this one will be eaten by all the acidic food that you're taking. So please be careful. Stop eating all this acidic food. Your body is not made for acidic food. That you must understand very, very well, my friend. Okay, guys? Right. So now.
तंत्रिका तंत्र मतलब नर्वस सिस्टम के बारे में बात करते हुए सर हमें हाथ पर एक बाल खींचने के लिए कहते हैं जो हमारे मस्तिष्क को दर्द का संकेत भेजता है। हमारे शरीर से मस्तिष्क तक ऐसे लाखों कनेक्शंस हैं। यह हमारे शरीर की प्रणाली की जटिलता है। चीनी यानी शक्कर हमारे पूर्ण सिस्टम को नष्ट कर देती है। अतिरिक्त शक्कर हमारे शरीर के अंगों को सुन्न कर सकती है, जिसके लिए हमें हमेशा सतर्क रहना चाहिए। शिवा सर को इसे नियमित रूप से जांचते रहना पड़ता है क्योंकि वे 6 से तकरीबन 18 घंटे तक फ़्लाइट में बैठते हैं। जब शक्कर बहुत अधिक होती है तो यह तंत्रिका तंत्र को ख़राब कर देती है, खास करके पैरों को। नर्वस सिस्टम मस्तिष्क, सेंसरी अवयव, रीढ़ की हड्डी, परिधीय तंत्रिका मतलब पेरिफेरल नर्व्स से मिलकर बना है। हमारी नसों में खरबों कोशिकाएं होती हैं जो सभी से एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हैं। 1 सोडियम, 4 पोटेशियम यह मिश्रण है जिसके साथ वे जुड़े होते हैं। इसलिए हमें संतुलित आहार लेना चाहिए। जब बहुत अधिक शक्कर का सेवन किया जाता है तो यह धीरे धीरे सभी कोशिकाओं को खा जाती है। इसे आगे समझाते हुए शिवा सर कहते हैं कि जब बिजली के तारों पर लगी कोटिंग हटा दी जाती है तो सभी तार एक दूसरे को छू लेंगे और चिंगारी पैदा करेंगे। इसी तरह हमारी तंत्रिका कोशिकाएं भी हमारे शरीर के अंदर चिंगारी से बचने के लिए एक चर्बी युक्त परत जिसे माइलिन शीट कहते हैं द्वारा इंसुलेशन के रूप में सुरक्षित रहती हैं। यदि शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है तो पूरा सिस्टम फेल हो जाएगा। यह आवरण आम्लीय मतलब एसिडिक भोजन द्वारा नष्ट होता है। इसलिए हमें अम्लीय भोजन खाना बंद कर देना चाहिए क्योंकि हमारा शरीर इसके लिए नहीं बना है। सबसे लंबी तंत्रिका साइटिका तंत्रिका है। जब कोई बहुत लंबे समय तक बैठता है तो यह दब जाती है और असहनीय दर्द देती है। इसके लिए हमें अपने बेस और रूट चक्र को हील करना होगा। सभी चक्रों की गतिविधियों को पेंडुलम से जांचा जा सकता है।
We come to another one called the urinary system. Something I want to tell you guys very, very importantly. Look, what's the work of the kidney? It throws everything out. Except for red blood cell, white blood cells and platelets and reabsorb again. So the only I'm doing 2 liter water and very good. We throw everything and bye-bye. So I'm doing more work. When you should drink water? Color of the urine. Color of the urine. To yellow, drink what? Drink. When I go to India, my urine is Teo. You sweat a lot, madam. You sweat. You don't even feel you're sweating. It just dries off and dries off, dries off. In Asia, you sweat, you'll be sweating from here, you know you're sweating, you know. India, we don't know you're sweating. So the urine, oh my God, yellow color. Then I drink more water, because the more yellow color that you have urine, madam, it becomes stones in your kidneys. 1. Number 2, when you're losing a lot of minerals too, your sweat. Understand? When I go to India, madam, when I'm sweating, madam, we have class now, oh, white color, you know. Also, madam, my salt from my body was coming out. Not only salt, uric acid, everything will come out because it's all flowing out. So there's no filtration. Only the kidney will filter what's going out. Whatever sweat from here, you have no filtration. You're losing a lot of nutrients. That's why you must drink your. What must you drink? You know what the electrolytes? Not 100 plus, you know. 100 plus, they put carbon dioxide. Carbonic acid. Buy your own 100 plus and make, you know, the green one. Mix them, take all. It takes like when you go to a clinic, they put the saline solution, you know. Something very similar to that, so it goes direct into the system, so you don't feel things. But when you drink, it takes some time, go inside and all. Okay?
मूत्र प्रणाली मतलब यूरिनरी सिस्टम के बारे में बात करते हुए शिवा सर कहते हैं कि गुर्दे यानी किडनी का काम है लाल तथा सफ़ेद रक्त कोशिका और प्लेटलेट्स को छोड़कर बाकी सब चीज़ों को बाहर फेंकना ताकि इसे फिर से अवशोषित किया जा सके। कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि अधिक पानी पीना अच्छा है, लेकिन इससे गुर्दे को अधिक काम करना पड़ता है क्योंकि इसे सभी अतिरिक्त चीज़ों को बाहर निकालना पड़ता है। किसी को भी पीने वाला पानी की मात्रा मूत्र के रंग पर तय करनी चाहिए। जब पसीने के कारण रंग बहुत पीला होता है तो हमें अधिक पानी पीना चाहिए। मूत्र का रंग जितना गहरा होगा वह गुर्दों की पथरी का संकेत है। एक और बात यह है कि हमें अपने पसीने से बहुत सारे खनिज खो देते हैं। ऐसा इसलिए लगता है क्योंकि फिल्ट्रेशन नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए सभी यूरिक एसिड और नमक वाले पसीने से बाहर आ रहे हैं। गुर्दे पसीने को फिल्टर नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसलिए हमें बहुत सारे खनिज खो देते हैं। हमें तब इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स लेना चाहिए।
Right. So now, see how it works. The kidney, where the kidney and the back. Okay, good. Okay, now this is how you are. So every blood will go inside and come out. This is the adrenal gland. This is the one producing what hormones? Question number 10 of our diploma class. What comes out? What hormone comes out? Macam mana orang pas ini? Huh? What comes out, madam? Citra, Bambang masuk. Adrenaline. Tengoklah nama adrenaline. Taruh cukup lah. Wah, orang ni semua. I think tomorrow I must give you a hint to answer questions all that. Understand? Huh? So this one gives out adrenal gland, the fight and fright hormones. Next, it gives out cortisol. Gives out cortisol. That cortisol will increase the blood pressure and also your insulin. So you must sleep very well. You don't sleep very well, it's going to go up. Please be careful. Sleep very well, okay? Try to find a way to sleep very well, okay? Now if you cannot sleep very well, take melatonin. Do you have melatonin in your country?
Yes.
Just buy it, take a thing and put 5 milligrams and see what happens. It's just a supplement, that's all. What your body cannot produce is given to you. Okay? Right. I carry some when I go overseas now. When I'm traveling too much, cannot sleep, I just take one melatonin and go when I go sleep. Okay? In US, melatonin is off the shelf market. No need doctor's prescription. Here?
Can buy.
Good. Because this is just like an adrenaline, it's like a supplement, like vitamin C, like that, no? So something the body produces now. Okay? Like that. See how complicated this guy is, no? Don't mess up this guy, please. Don't take all the coffee. I have to clean the coffee. I've got to clean the strong tea. I've got to clean all the color. Don't even eat your purple color dragon fruit. Yes, madam, you will pick a purple color. You think you'll try to take two of the purple color dragon fruit. What about the urine? Purple color.
But
Yes.
it's natural.
Madam, then why come you out of a kidney? Why come you out of a kidney? Madam, I ask you a question. Why your kidney purple color?
So it doesn't want to accept.
No, it's gone to the blood system, madam. It goes to the blood system, and now I must throw it away.
How about beetroot?
Same thing, madam.
Yeah, beetroot is
Same family. The color will come out to your kidney, even beetroot.
for iron.
I tell her you eat lah. You take more. Have purple color urine every day. See, when I tell something, you fight with the other thing. What can I do? Madam, take beetroot, take dragon fruit, take 2 things a day, and enjoy purple color urine, madam. I have no more work to clean them. It's a filtering system, madam. It's a filtering system, so I've got to go through the filter. Why don't you buy the white color dragon fruit eat?
Not so tasty.
See lah? Ask the kidney tasty or not tasty. You understand? Start thinking, madam. All the children eating all the M&Ms. The colors, some of the colors can go to the intestine and go to the blood system, madam. If they don't go, that's fine. This color, the urine comes out of none, but they don't go into the system, that's all. Even I drink 3-in-1 coffee once I take, madam, my urine 3 months smell. They try and see that 3-in-1,
Yes,
when urine, the same color now, same smell now. So what I'm doing, I'm throwing away. I got to do more work now. Stop this nonsense, madam. All the 3-in-1 online, you may think it's fantastic, madam. Please. They just put some chemicals and no, the kidney must throw them away. And one fine day kidney said, I cannot take it anymore. That's when they all spoil. So please, stop this 3-in-1. The Chinese are taking too much 3-in-1.
Milk they put in the 3-in-1.
So it's not milk, madam. It's all chemicals. It's all chemicals. They cannot put milk and stay inside and not get spoiled, madam. They're all cuddle. You must have some chemical system, you know. No, madam. Stop, madam. Stop all 3-in-1. Too much, too easy. Just put hot water, enough already. 3-in-1. No, don't play the fool, please. Okay?
किडनी हमारे पीठ में नीचे की ओर होती हैं। उत्सर्जक ग्रंथियों मतलब एक्सक्रीटरी ग्लैंड्स के बारे में बताते हुए सर ने कहा कि गुर्दे और अधिवृक्क ग्रंथियां यानी एड्रेनल ग्लैंड्स एड्रेनालाइन, कॉर्टिजोल आदि हार्मोन्स का स्त्राव करती हैं। कॉर्टिजोल ब्लड प्रेशर और इंसुलिन को बढ़ाता है, इसलिए हमें इन्हें संतुलित रखने के लिए अच्छी नींद लेने की आवश्यकता है। जो लोग अच्छी नींद नहीं ले पाते हैं वे मेलाटोनिन ले सकते हैं। यह एक पूरक मतलब सप्लीमेंट है जिसे आपका शरीर शायद नहीं बना सकता। कई देशों में इसे डॉक्टर के पर्चे के बिना दवाई के रूप में खरीदा जा सकता है। कॉफ़ी पीने से किडनी खराब हो जाती है। बैंगनी ड्रैगन फ्रूट जैसे रंगीन फल खाने से पेशाब का रंग बैंगनी हो जाता है। अगर किडनी यह सारा रंग नहीं निकालती है तो यह हमारे रक्त तंत्र में चला जाएगा। किडनी हमारी फिल्ट्रेशन प्रणाली है। रंगीन चॉकलेट आंत में जा सकती है और हमारे रक्त तंत्र में प्रवेश कर उसे नुकसान पहुंचा सकती हैं। किडनी ही उन्हें हमारे मूत्र से निकालती है। हम जो भी रंग और रसायन खाते हैं उन्हें किडनी को निकालना पड़ता है और एक दिन वे थक जाएंगे और हार मान लेंगे।